In this video, you'll learn how to log into Udemy using your email and password. This process will allow you to access your courses and account information seamlessly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, type in the Udemy website address in the address bar, and press the Enter key. This action will direct you to the Udemy homepage, where you will find various options related to online learning. Once the homepage loads completely, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled Login. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. After clicking Login, you will be redirected to a new screen where you can enter your credentials. In the first field, type your registered email address. Next, move to the password field and carefully enter your password. It is crucial to ensure that both the email and password are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you have filled in both fields accurately, locate the button labeled Login below these fields and click on it. After a brief moment, you should be logged into your account. If your information is correct, the system will process your login and redirect you to your Udemy dashboard. Upon accessing your dashboard, you will see an overview of your enrolled courses and any ongoing activities. This screen serves as your central hub for navigating through your courses and managing your learning experience. If you encounter any issues logging in, double check your email and password for accuracy, as well as your internet connection to ensure a smooth experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.